Dear friends, we want to be slim in 21 days. We want to be rich at the age of 24. We want to be famous at a very young age. In fact, we do not have any patience. When the lift is coming down, we keep on pressing the button again and again. When we start a laptop, we even can't wait for the all apps to open up. We are impatient there also. In fact, most of you will not complete my video. After 2 to 3 minutes, you will quit my video. This is what my YouTube analytics tells me, that people do not have patience and they watch a video for not more than 3 minutes. Same thing comes with English communication also. You want to speak fluently in 21 days and 30 days. And today, this is the topic of our discussion, dear friends. Patience. One of the most important quality required for improving your communication and your confidence. But today, unfortunately, if you see in the media, if you see in this society, everyone is impatient. We want quick results. We want shortcuts. We want to get rich quickly. We want to be fluent quickly. We want to be fit quickly. We want to be famous quickly. Unfortunately, that's not going to happen. And when you see the reality, you realize you have failed, because that's not going to happen. It's a natural process. So friends, as usual, today I have my 4 students. They will speak about their experiences about patience. What are patience? Why patience are important in English communication? And most important, how to build patience. So if you have patience, watch this video about patience. Let's see how many of you complete the whole video. I don't know how long this video will be, maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes or 50 minutes. But if you're watching how long this video is, it shows that you don't have patience. If you are checking that this video, 45 minutes, oh my God, I don't have the patience, and you quit, then you really need to work on your patience. This video, if you complete properly, that will be another exercise to build your patience. So let's start, dear friends. Okay, so here we are. Dipti, good morning to you. Unmute yourself, please. And just tell about why patience are important in communication, building your fluency. First, introduce yourself, from where you are and what's your education.
Hello everyone, my name is Deepthi Tara. I am from Dhamtari, Chhattisgarh, and I am currently pursuing my Masters of Technology in IIT Roorkee in CAD/CAM specialization. First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity. I'm really blessed to have you. Really blessed. It came from the deep of my heart. I'm just saying. Today, what is the importance of patience in English communication? Actually, the one thing that you have said, that we forgot how to be patient. We just want instant satisfaction. We just want instant we just want the instant thing to happen to us. But it's not at all true, because in this time where we are in this century where we are living, we just all the social medias app, all this Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, all kind of things. They are just instant satisfaction that's providing, and for all this we are just saying that okay, from that platform we are getting instant satisfaction. That's okay, then we can get the instant satisfaction from the English communication also. But it's not at all true. It's not at all true, because before joining DNA, I'm also like that person, and you totally changed my life, because you gave me the reason, okay, why to be patient. Because the important thing in life doesn't happen in a second or in a day or in a week. It all needs some time. Because like Hindi, we are speaking, from the childhood days, I'm not born and okay, very fluent in Hindi. It's not like that. The same happen in English. As our mother tongue is my mother tongue in Hindi. The same, I'm not like okay, given birth and speak fluent Hindi. It's not like that. The same. Why we are same? Which thought should that it happen to English? It's not like that. So we have to give some time. Okay, slowly. After that, you have said that after reading, listening, and making the habit consistency in that habit, then only we can proceed toward the fluent in English. And it's not. And one thing I have to say, it's not not a 100-meter race or a 500. It's a marathon. So we have to be patient.
Yes, Dipti, you're right. It's a marathon.
Yes.
Chaudhary sir, you are with me since long, and I have seen your patience. And I'm very happy that you are one of our senior students I'm so proud of you. Even your son had joined. And today, do you think that this new generation, especially 20 and 18 and 15, these people, even 30 also, they have lost patience and they are being deceived by some YouTube videos which claim that 21-day English speaking course, a 7-day vocabulary development course. Do you feel like today's generation has lost patience and now, they are going towards frustration?
Yes. So before talking about as you want, this is Bholi Chaudhary, Chief Local Instructor in Indian Railway. Currently, I am in Raipur here. As you ask that young generation usually just lose their patience because they want result in quick. As in this modern era, they want to achieve anything what they want in short because there is a many platform which is not true. Just said you will get result within 21 days like this. So easily trapped by that ad, but
Yes.
reality is different. Reality is totally different. As you said that here I am going to talk about patience. So patience is a virtue, not a ready-made thing. This is a virtue. In fact, patience is a mother of virtue. So somebody treated it that no action in patience. So no, it is not right. Here, patience is a form of action.
Yeah.
Form of action. So without patience and without consistency, no big and bigger achievement will achieve anybody. So we need patience to achieve big goal. If anybody really want to become greater and greater,
Yes.
especially I am just talk about the English, as
Yeah.
already you said many times that they need patience and persistence because this is not subject, this is a language and just a marathon and naturally uh, just with the help of some examples I would like to prove that
Yes.
by naturally or by default we learn a language. Suppose in this pandemic if anybody go to village and ask to any 80 or 90 years old men or women about what is the meaning of lockdown. She will very clear and explain that what is a lockdown. But she did not know what is the meaning of lockdown, what is the ABC, but know the meaning of lockdown. Why?
Yes.
Because of naturally, because of surrounding, she took time to understand and she know very well that meaning of lockdown, meaning of quarantine. So it is naturally and one more thing in one of video that why 95% quit, why 95% not getting result in this language. So for that you put one example, bamboo and mango tree.
Yes.
So if we want to grow and bigger, then keep patience for that because this is the process. We should focus on process, not focus on goal, not focus on result. If we enjoy the process, then automatically we will keep patience, not naturally. Already have Dipti ma'am said about that. Patience not should not focus on patience, focus on process, not anybody be patient. Just focus on process and want bigger and bigger goal, then automatically we will consistent or persistence for that. So here especially for me and I was English grammar teacher in my college period when I was in college, but I couldn't speak single sentence before joining of the DNA. So I was worried. I knew grammar in that time, but couldn't speak single sentence. Then I joined the DNA. Then came to know, oh, this is a totally different than subject. This is a language, and here some habits sir said about that. First, if we want to become fluent speaker, then we have to change our habits, and our habit makes us fluent speaker. So to adopt any good habit will take time, more time. That is the person. And
Yeah.
for adopting a habit, have to keep patience. Any habit traditional habit and change into new habit, not in a week or in a month. It will take time, and our habit makes us a fluent speaker. So already sir said about many times, persistence or consistency is a root cause or a root or key factor of learning language. So be patient, and now we all become English speaker with the help of patience. Actually, I have experience. I saw many students who joined 1 month, 2 months, and quit. I hope that he will not get results, because for that, for big achievement, this is a not subject to that 2 plus 2 equal to 4, and no, so this is not like that. This is a language, and inculcate in my mind many sentences what at this time I am talking to you, that I never read any book, but due to surrounding, due to habit, automatically inculcate in my mind, now I am able to speak. So this is the reason of keep patience with persistence. So that's why now. But sir, asking about young generation need to know reality. Earlier, when I joined the DNA, in that time, sir said about that 80% mindset and psychology. In that time, I didn't faith on that, but after some time, reality just came out, and I came to know that, oh, reality is totally different. Sir said very, very true in that time. Okay. Sir said that without grammar, I will teach you English. So that time I think that how it possible. But I came to know that the reality is that there is an example. Many guys are standing in front of Taj Mahal and Qutub Minar, selling their goods to foreigner in English. But he never went any institute, any college. Oh, why? Because of natural development. Naturally, they learn English with the surrounding, with
Yes.
that guides. So now I am totally agree with Sir that such thoughts that English is a totally different than subject. Naturally, by default, Sir said about that I trained mind. I am mind trainer. That time I think mind trainer. I never listened this sentence, but our mind trained automatically without knowing the fact. Our mind trained, and that is a therapy already given therapy us, but I do not know. We do not know how it is. But reality. Earlier, I was just surprised that emotion control, soft skill, mind training, these words are new before joining of the DNA. But today I very agree with all the facts, and Sir proved all the things naturally. Sir proved that without grammar, anybody will speak. There is example in Dennis. Some of our students earlier they do not know ABCD of grammar, but now naturally able to speak and convey their message to someone without fear, without any hesitation in English.
Yes.
So this is the fact, but our generation should think about that. Just easily tapped by some ads that somebody said that within 21 days, within 1 month, but it is not possible, because there is example in my home, in our home, that child take 2.5 years at least. By birth, somebody suppose knock somewhere, then twist their head, any child, but can't speak. After some time, after observing, automatically just able to speak after 2.5 years. So how we say that within 21 days, anybody teach someone? So this will take time, and that's why need patience for that to achieve,
Yes.
especially English learning. So this is my observation, what I observed, explained. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. And Muzumati, now it's your turn. We are discussing a very important point about impatience. It is, I have observed, I don't know whether you agree with me or not, but I have observed that people 30 years before, 40 years before, they had patience. I mean, patience in the sense, even in marriage also, I mean, in relationships also, they had patience. today youngsters divorce so quickly. I mean, they just say, okay, I want to break up, finish. They don't have patience. But our parents, 20 years before, 30 years before, 40 years, they had a lot of patience. What do you think? What are the reasons for these impatient youngsters? Is it due to the media impact, or is it due to the changes in their thinking pattern, hormonal changes, or genetic changes? Why these youngsters are losing patience, and they are getting cheated by many people who know their weaknesses, that these people do not have patience, so I can give them some offer which will tell them that everything will be done quickly. Like there are many advertisements on TV also which claim that all the solutions are there and we will solve your problems quickly. Do you think that this impatience is due to the media impact?
Good morning, sir. Good morning to everyone. Before enter into this topic, I want to introduce myself. I'm Murumati. I finished my MCA MPhil. I am worked as an assistant professor. I am from Pondicherry. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot to given me a great opportunity. Before enter into this topic, I want to tell about my journey, how my journey was in DNA. Sir, I completed my 1 month training with you, sir. Now I am in the second phase. I am seeing lot of transformation on me, not only regarding my communication skill. I am seeing my growth towards upward. My graph is going towards upwards when compared to the confident level before DNA and after DNA. Before DNA, really frankly speaking, sir, I was zero, less than zero regarding my confident level. Now I am seeing my confident level, how I am there before, now how I am here now. Okay, before DNA, some person to do some task to do means I cannot able to perform anything. But now I am able to do all those things with a lot of confidence. Thank you so much, sir. I want to convey special thanks to you. It is a great opportunity given me, and also I want to extend my thanks to Ragul sir, and also I extend my thanks to all the DNA members. Without them, I cannot able to hear. Coming to the topic, yes, of course, young generations are not having lots of patience because of their medias, and also through advertisement they lost their portions. Why? Because even one of my friend got married, they are not having patience. Within 2 days they depart each other. They are not having understanding, but understanding will not come quickly within 2 days or 3 days. Okay, it takes some times. Young generation need patience to stay with their wife. Okay, if we lost our persons means it will definitely goes to divorce. But our when we are see our grandparents or our fathers, they are not having understand. Also they need a patient, they have to survey, so they leave each other. But today young generations are not having that much of patience, so they are easily getting divorced within 1 month. So this what happening in our day-to-day life because of medias. Coming to our main topic, why patience is more important for English communication. Of course, when we are going for English communication, we have to follow all the habits like reading, listening, speaking, vocabulary. We have to focus on vocabulary also. We have to stay consistency and also stay in discipline. And also one of the important key factor is there. It leads to our goal. That is nothing but patience. Yes, patience is very important. It is a very important key factor to reach a goal. Okay, sir. Before that, I want to share how importance for me. How patience is very important for me. I want to share an incident regarding DNA. Sir, on July 6th, I enrolled my membership on DNA. After 2 days, I didn't get any message. You send me message. Our team members contacted you. Like that, you send me message. I told to you, sir, I'm eagerly waiting for that message. Like that, I sent to you. First message I received from you, sir. Have patience. This is the first message I received from you. Okay, I just listened that message, and after that I spoke with Raghu sir. he told me join in DNA sessions. I after 2 days I joined 2 days. After 2 days, what happened on that Sunday? Because I started my journey on Thursday. On that Saturday, I joined in a DNA group through WhatsApp, sir. During the time, coordinators are sending their schedules and topics respectively. So, by curiosity, what happened? I prepared all the topics. For each and every topic, I prepared 2 pages, sir. I prepared a lot. Okay, what happened on Sunday? I cannot able to attend even one session because of mere fearness, because of my low confidence. On that day I was worried. You always, sir, you always carry your students, so you send me message, are you enjoying your Sunday with coordinated session? Because that is my first week, so you send me message. I reply to you, sir, I cannot able to attend any one of the coordinated session, and I took all the notes through photograph and send you message. Again you send me, have patience. This is the second time I am receiving you, have patience. And also you clearly explain about the process. You have to wait for a time. It is a long process, you have to understand the process, then you will able to speak in coordinator session. Like that you replied me, and also Raghu sir contact me and explain the process. Then only I realized what is mean by patience. Okay, why that great responsibility person, uh, great person sending a message, the same content for 2 times. Then only I started to realize myself, we have to focus on patience. What is mean by patience? Why it is happened? Why I cannot able to perform in coordinated session? If I lost my patient, it leads to fear, it leads to stress, it leads to low lack of self confidence. Then only I came to know, I have to focus on my patience. So that's what I am here, I think so. In general also, if you are going for any communication, we need 2 person. One is a listener and another one is a speaker. Okay, in this 2 mode, we need a patient. If we lost patient also, we cannot able to give success. In case of listener, if you are in a listener mode, you have to listen someone. Okay, if you lost your patient on that time, you will not able to receive all the message which is telling by speaker. You will not automatically lose each and every content, then you will not able to reply to the speaker. So once you lost this patient here means definitely you will lose the content here. This role is going to failure. Then coming to speaker role, if you are speaking something without patience, your flow will be stuck. Okay, whatever the message you want to convey, it will not receive by the receiver. So again, it leads to patient. In these both the case, you need a patient. It is very important. And also we can go for a real time example, sir. If you are eating something in a hurry manner, okay, what will happen? You will not chew that food, you will not grind that food, automatically you swallow that food. Okay, what will happen in our digestive system? It will take some more time to digest. In case of slow eating, okay, what will happen? You will chewing that food, and also you will grind that food, you will not swallow. What will happen in your digestive system? It will take less time to get digestion. So if you are in a hurry, it will take long time. If you are in a slow manner, it will take less time. So this is applicable for patients regarding communication skill. So if you are having patience means it will take less time to reach your goal. If you are lost your patience, it will take more time to lose your to reach your goal. Sorry. If you are having less time, if you are having patience, you will get less time to reach your goal. If you lost the patience, you will get more time to lose your to reach your goal. So of course patience is very important. Once you have a patience, you have to face a lot of challenges. You have to face it, that one. And also you have to stay consistency in your habits, then definitely you will achieve your goal. I want to say one quotes also, sir. If you lost patience, it will lose to battle. This was written by Mahatma Gandhi. This is my one of my favorite quote. Definitely, if you have patience, means definitely you can win each and every task regarding communication skill. Not only in communication skills, throughout your life, if you are having patience, means definitely you will win the race. This is my perception, sir, regarding patience. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you guys to
Thank
listening
you,
me.
thank you, thank you. And one more thing I want to clarify here. I should have done this earlier, before starting this discussion. that those who are watching me, let me clarify some things. Whatever these people are saying, they are just spontaneously speaking. Okay, I haven't told them to praise me. I haven't told them that how they have improved in DNA. This is not any advertising or marketing video. Let me clarify this. You can contact these people personally also. I just sent a message that today morning we have a session, and spontaneously we start speaking. So don't misunderstand that we are here to market our course. We are promoting. No need. I just want the world to see that why patients are important. Instead of me, I'm giving chance to my students so that they can also build the confidence to come in front of the audience, and even I want them to start their own YouTube channel as well. These are the reasons why we assemble here. So you should not feel like this is any kind of pre-designed what we can say, like there are some reality shows are there which are already, the script is written there, and what we see is all fake. This is spontaneously happening, dear friends. Okay, yeah, let us move ahead. Chitra, hi, good morning to you. Introduce yourself and tell us, unmute yourself and tell about how people suffer in life if they don't have patience. How they
Yes,
suffer
sir.
in life.
Yes, sir. Hi, everyone. Sir. Morning, sir. Hi, everyone. I am Chitra. I am belong to Tamil Nadu. I got married in Bangalore. I am a homemaker. Yes, the question is how the people to be patient. Nowadays, sir, in modern era, we can get everything as a ready-made apart from father and mother. That's why the people mindsets are like that. For if you want idli, you can buy idli better. If you want payasam, you can buy payasam mix. In this way, we can get anything ready-madely. That's why in this way, social media made some wrong impacts on the young people minds. That's why the young people want everything immediately. In olden days, the people had so much patience because they are born in the joint family, they are brought up in the joint family, they had too much of siblings. In every family the siblings would be 7 and 8. That's why they knew the value of relationship, they know the value of emotions, they know the value of patience. That's why that people had the too much of patience. Nowadays nothing is there, every family has a one or two children. That's why they don't know the value of the relationship, they don't know the value of every emotion, sir. Not only single, they don't know the value of every emotion. That's why young people wants everything as a ready-made. But in our case of English communication, in case of a language learning, in case of our mother tongue learning, after uh, after the baby born, the baby started to speak at 8 months. At 4 years or 4.5 years only, the baby could get the clear speech. In the same manner will happen in every language, not only language, in every learning also. It may be flute learning, it may be guitar learning. It takes some time to get familiar with that. That's why the people should be patient about learning. Then only we can indulge in that. Then only we can familiar with that. Then only we can enjoy that, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for
Very
this.
nice, very nice. So effective it was. And see, you can speak about a topic only when you are involved in the topic. Only you have experienced that topic. Experience means only when you actually have gone through that phase. Only then you can speak very passionately about that topic. And definitely, we are been together and we are discussing about patients. Therefore, you don't need to prepare specially for patients because you all are experiencing that. Last question for everyone. Very important question. How to build patience, according to you? How to build patience? Is patient naturally, or we have to work on that? Dipti.
We have to work on it because it's not naturally. Actually, we have to be patient. It's come by working on it. It's come by working on our habit. Because of our habit, we are in our consistent phase. Okay, we have to do it regular basis. so that in the regular basis when we are doing something, we indulge in that work, and we know that okay, it takes time and it will take time, and then after moving ahead slowly, it will take time, and we got the right thing at the right time. And one thing, one quote I have to say, actually I have to say in the beginning, but I have to say, everything who waits, everything comes to her or him who waits. That's it. That's the patience, because it's not like the everything comes suddenly or instantly. It takes some time. So be patient. That's it
Yes.
from me.
Great, Dipti. Bholi sir, so how to practice this patience? I mean, at your workplace,
Yes.
in your home, how do you practice patience?
Yes. First, to practice for that, uh, actually, if we know the value of the goal, and then automatically we will wait for that. First thing. Another thing, as I learned from you, that to handle our emotion, we become passionate
Yeah.
or passionate person. Just you gave example one time. I remember again and again that things. Suppose 2 or 3 person are standing on a traffic road, on a traffic signal on road, and waiting for signal. 15 seconds for all, okay. But somebody, one of them, just accelerator their vehicle and just ready to fly. Somebody abusing to traffic police, but somebody just control their passion, their emotion, and wait for signal, because signal will never change. Either you accelerate your vehicle, but in that time need control or handle emotion. So in this way, from your example and your thoughts, we learn that we will handle our emotion and we become a pleasant person, because need some activity, some process for that, because this is not ready-made. The passion, already I said in earlier that this is a virtue. Passion is a virtue, not ready-made things. This is a personal behavior. So not easily anybody achieve it with process, and if they know value of the things, they know value what they want to become, then automatically he will do something for that. And I think, sir, this is the sufficient that to handle our emotion, we become passionate, passionate person. So this is the main root things that actually, and it will take time, not easily anybody learn
Yes.
or become passionate person in short time. So actually, it will change. Person should change their behavior and some good habits, and good habit to become just adopt a good habit. It will take time. Okay. Then any person become passionate person to change their habit, and habit will take time. So
Yes.
to be patient, need patience for that also.
Very right. One important point I will take away from your talk is you must have patience to be patient.
Yes.
You should have patience to work on your patience. Otherwise, tomorrow again you will freak out and keep on disturbing yourself that, oh, I'm not patient. I lose my patience. So you should have patience for that. Mazumadi, now your turn. How to practice patience? How to build those patience muscles? Unmute yourself.
Naturally we will not get any patience. We have to work on with that one. If you go for some kind of meditation also, you will get some patience. As already sir told, you have to do some mindful meditation for around 2 hours once. Okay, you can take for around 1 minute. It will give lot of patience. Okay, whatever the process you want to take decision, you will easily get decision making. Patience gives you to take decision also, and also you will not feel any fear, stress, and also you will not have any lack of confidence. This what I experienced regarding patience. If you work on with your patient for around 21 days, it will become as your habit. you will not focus on afterwards after 21 days. It will become a habit to you. So try to focus on your patience. Definitely, you will get more confident to reach your goal. This is my point of view, sir.
Thank you, Madhumati. Thank you. And Chitra, now it's your turn. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. As you told, sir, all the characters come from our nature and nurture. Yes. If I am an angry person, I have to work on that for changing myself from anger to patience for maintaining patience. Otherwise, if I have a patience, I have to maintain that patience. I have to keep that patience. Whenever I was annoyed by some other person, whenever I meet some another critical situation, at the time I have to maintain that patience. Nurture means in the earlier days, the children had an opportunity to brought up in the joint families. That's why they had a chance to know the every life values, every ethics, every character. Whenever the children see the parents, they are giving respect to the elder people. They learn many things from their parents. Whenever they see the grandpa and grandma, whenever they watch their behaviors, whenever they watch their characters, whenever they watch their duties, at the time they learn many things. That's why whenever the children brought up in the joint family, they learn the many things from their family members. That's why through nurture, some characters will come to the children. That's why they need not to work on the patience. They are getting the patience naturally. That's why if we don't have that much patience, we have to work on that as your technique, mindfulness, through some breathing exercise, through some meditation. We have to work on that. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Chitra. And dear friends, to conclude, I can add some few points in that, how to work on your patience. As first point is, you have to have patience to be patient. This is the first thing. And second thing is mindfulness meditation. Very important. I will make a short video on this, how to do mindfulness meditation. Very powerful technique. But we can practice patience every day. As like Chaudhary sir said, next time when you are at a traffic signal, practice patience. Wait for the zero. Don't race your bike or your car before 5 seconds. Wait for up to zero. There you are practicing patience. But you must be aware when a situation arises. You must be aware, now this is the time to be patient. Remind yourself, now I will practice patience. Suppose you are waiting in a queue at an ATM or in a bank. Practice patience. Tell yourself, the queue is big. I have to work on my patience. Let me listen to an audiobook. Work on that. Next time, if your staff is late, if your maid is late, tell yourself, now is the time to practice patience. I will practice patience. In a hotel, if you go and order dish, any food, wait. The waiter will serve you. Tell yourself, have patience. Dear friends, patient does not mean slow. No. Patient means some things are there in life which need time. Now you can't do anything about that. A mother can't say that I want my baby to grow quickly. The natural process. You can't interfere. Where you can interfere, there you have to be impatient. You can't just sit there. For example, I want to join a communication classes. No, I will have patience. I will join after 2 years. There it's of no use. There you should be impatient and work on yourself. I have to start savings. Start quickly. Be impatient and start quickly. But when it comes to communication skills, it's a natural process. Like a farmer sows a seed. The farmer should have patience till the crop grows. He has to fertilize it. He has to provide water, insecticides, everything. and then he should have patience. Now he can't control anything. Now the crop will grow. Now you if you're freaking out there, if you're impatient there, crop will not grow faster. Crop will take time as much it is going to take. Then we have two options: peaceful success or stressful success. Peaceful success will come when you have patience. When you know that whatever was in my control, I have done that. Now I have to sit quiet and wait and watch. Same thing with other English also. When you are working on your English communication, the tips I have given you, have patience and keep on working. But stressful success will be you are sowing the seed and constantly every day going there and waiting and expecting the grain to come, the crop to grow. That will be a stressful success, and we are not here for that. Patience is like muscles. It's like muscles. The more you practice, the stronger the muscles. The more you practice patience, the stronger the patience. Now I have to see how many of you had patience to complete this video. I don't know. Now if you have completely seen my video, type in the comment, I have completed this video. This is the first step towards patience. I'm very eager to know your comments. How many of you have commented? If you have seen the whole video, you can type there, sir, now I'm practicing patience. All right, friends. So this is not only applicable for English communication, this is applicable in relationships. This is applicable in health. This is applicable in getting good education, getting a better job. Everywhere patience are required. So next time, dear friends, when you are standing in a queue, stand peacefully and not stressfully. Thanks a lot for watching this video and having the patience to watch a video on patience. Thanks a lot and goodbye all of you. Thank you.